Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Chidi Innocent. Today we are going to learn basics of MSMS for new schools. Log in as an admin, go straight to General Settings to set up the details that will run in the school. Here you fill in the school or college full name. This name will appear in every record, both report sheet and all that. This address of the school, the contacts of the school. You choose the attendance, whether daily or subject-wise. Choose the dates, financial year dates. This will help you choose year here, choose month here, choose date. So the same thing. This is the starting receipt number. If you want your school receipt to start, when the software wants to issue receipt, if you want it to start from 0, 1 to count and so on, or 1 and go as you want. You choose the language here, choose the time, choose the country, choose the currency. Here we are using N for Naira. Choose this for decimal point in case of currency amounts in school. Use it for grading system. We advise you to use GP and the CWA. CCA mostly used in Asia countries and other parts of the world. This for integrating module to the software. You choose theme, the color of the background you want. We have many background here. You choose one. This auto increment in case you want the software to be counting the number of students in your software as you register them. You keep increasing it. You check it. The same thing with employee. News, comments, moderation. They will help you to moderate comment from people, students, staff, and the guidance. Checking it will enable the moderator to see whatever somebody comments before it goes to public. Enable sibling, it help you to select its siblings if there are 2 or 3 children, students in your school with one parent. This will help you to enable when you check it. This, if you check this, enable first time login to help you to, whenever somebody log in for the first time, must change the password. And I want to update. The next thing we are going to do, we're going to look at creating courses or classes and badge. I hope you can see my screen. Here, settings have been saved. Go to another, create courses to badge, manage badge courses. Going to use this place to create a new class or course in your school. For instance, class as junior secondary school 1, junior secondary school primary 1, primary 2. I click new. The name of the class, we use basic 500. For instance, you can choose the name in your school. Section, we choose 2014. Code, make it B500. Grading system, we choose normal. Normal entities the 2. Enable elective selection. In case you want to create elective courses or subjects, if you enable it, student can be able to choose the elective course they want. Name of the badge, call it class A, for instance. Starting date you choose. With this closing, you save. if you want to create class B, class C, class D in this particular class, look at the class we create, basic 500 2014. I click on this to create more class in this particular class. This stands as class SS3, for instance, class A in SS3, class B in SS3, class C in SS3. So we want to add class B in this in this basic 500. I click new. Add class B. Same dates. Here, import previous batch subjects. We are setting up a new system. We have not created any subjects. So if you check it, good. If you don't check it, there's no subject in this class. So you can check it and go ahead. Import previous batch master fee. We have not created fee here. So you can uncheck it. When we create fee, you can add the fee to the class. Save. We'll learn how to create class and a course, and how to add class in a course or badge in a course. Here you can see badge created successfully. Students, no serial number, no student is in this class. Name nobody, admission number nobody. Exam, edit, delete, manage subject, manage elective, assign tutor. As a new setup for new schools, we are going to start do everything from beginning. Want us to go to next thing is subjects. We want to create subjects in this school. You know the subject you do in your school. Go into settings. Manage student category, manage subjects, create subjects. We're going to select the class or the course where you want to create a subject. And we are working with basic 500. For basic 500A, add normal subjects. English language. Code. Maths weekly class. Say 3 if you teach English 3 times in a week, 2 times in a week, depending on the number of you want to teach. You click etc. No exam. If you check it, that means this English language subject you will not conduct exam in this, but if you conduct, you don't need to check it, you save. You can see English language created, code and edit. Let us add another normal subject. The next thing I want us to do, we have 2 subjects in this course or class A. You can use this to create new elective course. Elective course is a course that students can choose the one they want to do and the one they don't want to do. Assign elective subjects. You use it to do. We are going to create the next stage. We are going to create employee. Well, we just finish. You can, after the general set, you create all the classes, all the courses in your school at this stage. Then you go straight to subjects in the school: English, maths, literature, and so on. We are here to create employee now, admit employee. You have a setting, general setting. You click on the setting, add employee category, add employee position, add employee department, add employee grade, add payroll category, add bank detail, add additional detail. We may not go straight to all these modules. We'll go straight to employee category. Yes, here you can have academic staff, non-academic staff, or that you want to create in your school. You can see we have academic staff here, we have non-academic staff, and all that. Let's create admin staff. We have admin already, or we want us to have complicated issue. But this is how you create a new employee category. Click on here, you get created. Next, I want us to go to students, meet new students. Another thing I will not fail to mention here is to create extra admin and log in here as an admin. You can create another admin who will give the privilege to do all these things we are doing here as an admin, and you use user module to do that. Click on user module. This admin, add new, view all, add new admin. This admin will do virtually everything. We have all the privilege to do everything in this software. So you must be careful whom you are giving such privilege. It must be the key staff. The admin name, you type in the name, you type in the username, you type in the first name, the last name, the password, create email, and create. Manage student category. Go to students. It's advisable before you start admitting students into the system, need to create a category. Category could be day student, could be boarding student, could be foreign national, could be disabled students that you use to categorize students in your school. So we have here day students, foreign national, boarding students. You can create anyone you want to create and save. Another thing we want to go now, we need to admit students into that particular class. Student admission. Click on student admission. We are going to admit students in this. We're going to admit students in this particular class, basic 500. Let's go. First name, say Chidi. Last name, Badge, choose basic 500. Choose class A. Date of birth of the student, you choose the day, choose the year, choose the month, choose the day, and click. Gender, male or female, you say female. Blood group, if you know. If you check, date of birth is compulsory, first name is compulsory, other ones are not compulsory. So because of this class, we'll be going to skip some of these fields and go straight to the class. Nationality, choose the country of the student's mother tongue, we choose, you write. Category, you choose, is he a day student or foreign student or boarding student? Going to choose boarding student here. Religion, if you have it, you fix. Contact detail. One thing about this contact detail, if it's a school that permits students, junior students, to use phone for direct contact in case of emergency, this is where you put it. You add the address. The phone number should be the phone number of the person you want to contact, mobile or phone number, any of them. Email, the same thing. So you're going to use the phone number you want to use to contact. If it's a school that doesn't allow students to, we advise you to add parents' phone number here, so that when you want to use this software to send SMS to parents, you want to read the parents in case of emergency or for any information, this is the number it will select for this particular student called John. Let's go on. Go ahead. You display to upload the image of the students. Upload the image. It shouldn't be more than 500 kilobyte size. So save and proceed. Sorry, excuse me. Here, select sibling to set immediate contact. Please keep this option to add new set of guidance. In case you have a sibling, you select, if you don't have, skip it. Skip. You don't have sibling for now. Parents detail. Here you type in the parent detail. First name, say King. Relation, parents, father. You can still put the mobile number of the parents here. Doesn't matter. So the following guardian have been saved for Chidi, Dave, John. Good. Add another guardian. We don't want to add another guardian. Click finish. Select one of the guardian as emergency contact. We are selecting on the King. Previous educational details. If the student have previous educational details, this software will help you to gather such information. You can use this to add another field in case the one here is not enough. You can save. When you type in, you save or skip. For now, we are skipping. It will be in the student profile. Alright. Add the additional details. Students completion. In case you want, save or skip. Here at the beginning of the software, there's a place add additional admission details. Here this is where this shows and we take it compulsory at the beginning of the general setting. So here we choose fair, save and proceed. If you don't want it, you can skip it from the general setting. This is the students. Due to we did not add the passport of the students, the system automatically choose the fourth passport and ask for John here, John Dave. This is the student detail. You can still edit the additional detail. You can still add previous dates and all that. Change immediate contacts. You can edit other things here. Want to print PDF, you print. If you want to edit more, you edit. This is how you add students and so on and so forth. The next thing we are going to do in this class is to create fees. Teach you how to create fee. Go to general setting. Finance. Click on finance module. You have fees, categories, transaction, donations, automatic transaction, pay slip, finance report, asset liability management, tally reports. We're going to start from fees. Create fees. Schedule fee collection. We'll click on create fees. Here you are going to create master fee in this school. Create fee category. What are the categories of fees? Create it here. Create fee, say tuition fee, for instance. Description. Depending on how I want to describe it, I'll say for all students. Here are the courses or classes in this software. When you finish creating all the classes in your school, you can select, or if this fee will be applied to every student in this school, you select all. If the fee you are creating will be applied for particular category of students, you uncheck all. Then create. Here we are working with basic 500. You choose basic 500. Save. We are going to create another category. Say hostel fee. Particulars. Create particulars. This is the particulars of those master fee. Particulars, they will apply to which you can see select category to create using all students, admission number, student category. If you want to create particulars, for instance, say hostel fee. We are choosing student category because this fee is not applied to every student in this school. We choose category of the student. We say boarding students. How much is this fee? We say 7,000. Already selected. For first term, first and second term, third term, we have not touched on this part in this teaching, so I'm going to skip it and create. It's a finance fee category can be blank. Okay. Badge can be blank. The badge. First term. Okay, we're going to teach this in this class. We have not created anything in this basic 500, so we are going to skip this and go back and create such. Go to home. For now, we'll give you chance to ask questions so far where we have learned before we go to fee.